Unity, commonly known as Unity 3D, is a game engine and integrated development environment for creating interactive media, typically for video games, for PCs, consoles, mobile devices, and websites. Let me give you a brief rundown of what the Unity game engine development scene looks like. The picture you see on the screen right now is just a basic visual window of the user interface. The hierarchy shows every object that is in a scene. You're able to click on things to select them or parent them. We have an inspector which shows us details about an object and where we can adjust different elements of it if we need to. The unhighlighted window called Command is just where the command lines show up, and also tells us where there are errors or issues with our design. The game window, which you don't have selected right now, but is there, will show us what our game currently looks like when we start piecing the puzzle together, and also lets us try our game out. Finally, we have our project window, which shows us the contents of our project. Everyone has their own favorite programming language that they like using over any other language. Unity promotes 3 different types of programming languages, which include Unity Script, Boo, and C#. According to some of Unity's editor analytics statistics, the usage of these 3 major Unity languages break down to Unity Script, which is basically JavaScript for Unity, at a usage of 18.9%. C# being used by 80.4% of the users, and Boo being used by only a measly 0.44% of developers. Here are just a few examples of what can be created with Unity. The Unity game engine is an incredibly powerful and versatile tool for the development of any project. Features like the visual editor, full and robust scripting, the Mechanim animation system, and multi-platform build support set this engine leaps and bounds ahead of its peers. Additionally, the Unity community is a helpful tool to discuss issues and find solutions with other Unity experienced users. We hope you've enjoyed this brief description of the Unity game engine.